Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Get Back Family Vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so for today's video ay magluluto tayo ng sinaing. Okay, so we are cooking rice for dinner. So, how to cook rice? Okay, so I will show you how to cook rice for our dinner. Okay, so this is Get Back Family Vlog. Okay, it's a it's a Filipino family here. Okay, so here in Dublin, okay, so our especially our meal is cooking rice, and of course we're cooking also like chicken, adobo. Ayan, it's up to you guys if what do you like for your dinner, okay? Sinigang or what else, okay? So for today's video I will show you how to cook rice. So first we have rice cooker, okay? So rice cooker is very easy, okay? We have rice cooker, okay? So I have sinaing yesterday. So today we need to cook another one, like for tomorrow again. Okay, here it's okay to cook now, and then if we have extra rice, it's okay to eat tomorrow. So at least you're not cook every time, okay? So if you wanna eat, if you're hungry, at least we have rice extra here. So now I will show you how to cook rice here in a rice cooker, okay? Keep on watching. So we need to get some empty plate and put the rice extra here. Okay. And put it aside and wash the rice cooker. So here now guys, it's ready to cook. Okay, so need to put here in rice cooker and wait like 30 minutes. So this is our rice cooker now. Okay, so after that we're having dinner. So I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. Bye for now.